Hello, I'm in a 2017 Hyundai Elantra, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life. So this symbol typically means you're low on oil. Right now I have the vehicle in just the on position rather than the vehicle all the way on. But for most of these models, I think there might be some exceptions out there, but most of them don't keep track of your oil life. So between oil changes and whatnot, you'll just need to keep track of it with something like a sticker in the corner, for example, or however you keep the schedule. But typically in a vehicle, if you're seeing this symbol for one of these, you might just be low on oil. So one step you might want to take is just going to the front and checking your dipstick, see if you're low on oil. You might need to add some. Maybe you're overdue for an oil change, so get your oil change. Drive it for a little bit and see if this will go away, because you might just have a low engine oil. And yeah, sometimes these motors can burn a little quicker than you'd expect. So I would for sure check your oil level if you're seeing something like that. And then say that doesn't get rid of this symbol, or you're in a model that does have an oil life reading. What you do to get to that is I'm in the off. Everything's off. You'll turn it to the on position, but not all the way on, whether you have like a push start or your key. I think most push buttons, it's like 2 presses, put you in the on. So we're in on now. So here with these controls, with this trip button, you should have something kind of similar to this, but typically there's a button here you can toggle between these screens with. So you would hit between your trips, and as you keep clicking, you would see something that's like says oil life or something like that. This model doesn't have that, but let's say let's pretend this has something similar. Something you also could try. So now that, like I said, we're in the on position and we're in something that has an oil indication here, you're going to want to just, without any pedals or anything involved, just press and hold this reset. And then obviously you'll have to see if this works in your model, but at this point, whatever oil life indication should have reset. And then when you turn off and on the car, you would see your indications here show that you have 100% oil life. I hope this explanation and tutorial was helpful. Any comments in the below the video here, I'll do my best to help. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day.